incident. But jealousy, remember, it causes one harm. He's always worried about other people and what they get. And he forgets about the blessings of Allah Ta'ala he has in his life. What is jealousy? Jealousy is that, you've noticed your Muslim brother attain a blessing. For example, he has, let's say, 2 sons and 2 daughters, and you only have daughters, you don't have any sons. Now you look at this brother and you think to yourself, oh, why has he got a son? Why have I not got a son? No, I wish this son is taken away from him. So 2 things. Number 1, you want that blessing to be taken away from your Muslim brother. And number 2, you are not happy upon him receiving that blessing. Yeah, you wish for that blessing to be taken away from him and to be given to you. This is jealousy. This is jealousy. हसद क्या है कि आप तमन्ना करें कि ये जो नेमत है मेरे मुसलमान भाई को हासिल ना हो, मुझे हासिल हो और वो नेमत उससे दूर हो जाए. किसी के पास 2-3 लड़के हैं, आपके पास सिर्फ एक बेटी है. आपकी तमन्ना है कि काश मुझे बेटा होता, उसको ना होता. और आपकी ये भी तमन्ना है कि उससे बेटे की नेमत छीन जाए, वो फोत हो जाए. तो ये हसद है और ये हराम है इस्लाम में. हसद burns your good deeds. आपकी नेकियों को जलाता है हसद. So we must not be jealous of one another, but we must realize who is the mun'im haqiqi. The one who gives blessings is Allah Ta'ala. Nothing is in our control. Our job is to strive to attain the pleasure of Allah Ta'ala. Allah knows what the result will be. But nothing is in our control. How we look, how we, how our voice is, our appearance, our features, our skin color, the shape of our eyes, our ears. No, nothing is in our control. These are blessings of Allah Ta'ala. So instead of being jealous, we should become from amongst those who are thankful, who thank Allah Ta'ala day in, day out. But if you become jealous, you will cause yourself harm and tension. You will always be in worry. Why is he getting more and more and I'm losing out? And then this person, he will plot against his Muslim brother. He will look for situations where he can put his Muslim brother down in front of other people. This is what that person does who is jealous, who feels jealousy. That he looks for moments or situations where he can throw his Muslim brother down. He will begin to backbite his Muslim brother. So jealousy leads to other sins. Jealousy, hasad, leads to other sins. किसी की शक्ल आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती, आप ऐसा ना कहें. अपने आप को बताएं कि ये अल्लाह की दी हुई नेमत है. किसी के पास बहुत माल है, ना हसद करें, बल्कि अपने आप को कहें कि अल्लाह ने उसको दिया है, अल्लाह ने उसको दिया है, ये अल्लाह की नेमत है, मेरे बस में कुछ नहीं है. समझे? तो यह सोच होनी चाहिए, हसद नहीं करना चाहिए. If somebody has a beautiful voice, he's a hafiz of the Quran, he has memorized the Quran, don't be jealous. There's something called rashk. एक है rashk, कि आप ये तमन्ना ना करें कि उससे ये नेमत छीन जाए. तो ये हसद नहीं है. किसी के पास आपने नेमत देखी है, वो हाफिज कुरान है, तो आपकी ख्वाहिश है कि मैं भी हाफिज कुरान बन जाऊं. ये हसद नहीं है, ये हसद नहीं है. हाँ, अगर आपकी ये ख्वाहिश हो कि वो कुरान पाक को भूल जाए, ये नेमत उससे दूर हो जाए, छीन जाए, तो ये हसद है. ओके? लेकिन अगर आपकी ख्वाहिश हो कि मैं भी हाफिज कुरान बनूं, तो इसको रश्क कहते हैं. This is rashk. This is allowed in Islam. That you see a blessing, a Muslim brother has attained a blessing, you wish for yourself to attain that blessing. Somebody's memorized the Quran, you wish, oh, if only I memorize the Quran. If only I could be like him. I wish I could be like him. This is not jealousy. But if you wish for that blessing to be taken away from him, this is jealousy and this is haram. Yeah? Wishing to attain that blessing also is rashk, and this is allowed in Islam. Yeah? Fastabiqul khairat. You should try to exceed one another in khairat, in good actions, in good deeds. Yeah? But putting other people down, looking for situations to put other people down, becoming jealous of one another, backbiting one another, hating one another, this is haram in Islam. This is haram. These feelings are haram in Islam. We must keep our hearts away from these illnesses. Jealousy, hatred, arrogance, becoming arrogant. Al-Islam wants you to become a Muslim who is peaceful, who spreads love, peace and harmony. And jealousy, this causes many problems in the society. This leads to many problems. Yeah, you become jealous, then you start to plot against your Muslim brother, you start to cause him harm. This may lead to fights. Astaghfirullah min dhalik. This may even lead to killings. Yeah. So this is why we must act upon the teachings of Al-Islam. We must act upon the teachings of Al-Quranul Kareem. Insha'Allah ta'ala, when we act upon the teachings of Al-Quranul Kareem, when we keep good company of those Muslims who remind us of our goal, and that is to achieve the pleasure, that is to attain the pleasure of Allah Ta'ala, who remind us about our grave and the day of judgment. Keeping company of such people, if we keep company of such good people, insha'Allah Ta'ala, we will save ourselves from jealousy, from arrogance, from hating others. And we will become people who love others for Allah. We will become people who have good character, who have good akhlaq. We will become people who love one another for Allah Ta'ala, who help one another for Allah Ta'ala. So this is why, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, it's necessary that we keep good company. When we keep good company, insha'Allah ta'ala, we will attain the passion to act upon al-Islam, to act upon the teachings of Al-Quranul Kareem. Allah give me and give us all the ability to act upon the teachings of Al-Quranul Kareem. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. So I will end with a kalam in remembrance of Pakistan.